Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to begin our English grammar class with a new chapter, chapter number 15, report writing. As you know that students, so you already studied about report writing in class 7th and 6th also. It is a written language composition part of the grammar, and we know that many types of reports are there. All the thing about report we will cover in this chapter, in this class. We will discuss about how many types of reports are there, which type of reports there are there, how to write reports, and which reports are covered in which places. That thing also we will cover in this class. Let's begin this chapter. Dear students, at first we will discuss about reports, how many types of reports are there, and then we can say that there are two kinds of reports. First one is about newspaper reports, and second one is about event reports. Dear students, as you know that newspaper reports are generally published in newspaper, whichever you read by you every day in newspaper in morning time. So we can say that reports about any type of accident, any type of robberies, or any great event is always given coverage in newspaper. Means whatever given in newspaper, whichever type of reports is given in newspaper, so you can say that that type of reports is known as newspaper reports only. Because of that type of report coverage in newspaper, so we can say that it is the type of the newspaper reports. Second thing is here, dear students, we will discuss about event reports, and generally we can say that event reports means reports about annual function, sports day, and this type of reports always published in college or school magazine. So we can say that two type of the main kinds of the reports, and that type of is always published. First one is published in newspaper, second one is published in school magazine or any type of magazine whatever published by school or something like that. Dear students, as we know that reports are a factual descriptions of an incident. Means it's a factual description, means completely descript about the fact or functions, how that function is going to be organized, how all that thing was happened or something like that. That will be covered in that type of reports. An event or a situation means after happening a event, we have to discuss about that thing, how action is going to be finished or something like that. We will discuss in report. It is a detailed account of Sam given in sequence as per happened in real fact, that will be converted into detailed account of the same given sequence. The language of the report should be to the point, clear and factual. It is the main and important fact about the report. Whenever you start to write report, then you have to write complete factual event, how that event is going to happen, how that event was start, all that thing you have to discuss in this one. I have already told you two types of reports are there. First one is about newspaper reports, and second one is about event reports. If we talk about newspaper reports, then we can say that newspaper reports are always published in newspaper only. Means about accident, about robberies, or any great event whatever take place in your area or happen in your area, something like that. That type of reports are known as newspaper reports. After that, we know that event reports means about any event whatever held going to be held in your place, whatever going to be held at your proper area. That type of reports are known as the event reports, like annual function which are celebrated in your school, sports day, or any type of Christmas celebration. Any type of event you can note down in this type of reports, event reports. Now we'll discuss about main points of report. What is the main point of report? Whenever you are writing report, then which type of points you have to mention. That type of points are here. First, report should have a suitable headline or title. It is the main and important fact. Whenever you start to write a report, then at first you have to write suitable title, suitable heading, because it is the main part. It is the main. Second point is here, the writer or the author's name, byline should be placed under the heading. Wherever you are writing heading, downside of that you have to write byline also. If your name is like Kushal, then you have to write your name downside of that heading. Like report word is here given, then you have to write downside your name also. Like report is about road accident, then at first you have to write here heading like road accident. After that, byline also you have to write downside. By after that, write your name also, whatever your name is there, like XYZ, whatever your name is there, you have to write your name. Here only it is the main fact, it is your heading. After that you have to write by with your name also, means report by, who wrote that report, that thing also you have to mention. Because of that, reader can be understand who wrote that report. You know that whenever you are reading newspaper, then you know that that's a publisher or the news anchor name is also is being there, who is the publisher of that report, downside of that name is also written, means that report is given by whom, that thing also you have to mention. Because of that you may know that whoever given of that report or something like that. Third point is here, the fact should be authentic, means whatever you are writing that may be authentic, it may be very grateful to you also and for reader also. Because of that, if you are writing any type of fact report or something like that, then the next time they should not read about that thing. The opening line should reveal the content of the heading elaborately, means whenever you start to write, then you must sure that at first you have to write opening line very clearly, very factly, grammatically. They didn't have any type of mistakes or something like that. Because of that, if you make mistakes from starting one, then no one is interested to reading that type of report. The most important details is here, date, on which date that type of action was happened. Second thing, time, what is the time of happening of that event. Second thing, event, which type of event is going to happen on that day. After that, venue and which place, means place also you have to mention, like Kesharpura, then you have to write Kesharpura, in Kesharpura, and which street, that thing also you have to mention. After that, if we talk about all that thing stated by you in the report writing an event, unnecessary details should be avoided, means in that type of reports you have to write only necessary things. Because of that, if you are including unnecessary things in that one, then it may be more hectic or something like that, and then no one is interested for reading that type of reports if you are including that type of unnecessary thing. The language should be formal, it is the main important thing. Whenever you are writing report, then you may be sure that your writing may be formal, the sentence may be using by you, that you have to write a small sentence, grammatically accurate, and all that things you have to mention in this one. Dear students, on the page number 112, one example is also given here, safeguarding environment. How to safeguard environment, all that thing, means whoever the writer, then writer name is also given here, who wrote that report by Arun Singh. Dear students, already reports starting line is also given very beautifully, like the school celebrated annual Taru Mitra Day on 4th September 2018 to reiterate of the importance of the creating awareness among students toward the vibrant colors with the green background of flora and fauna which ornate our planet. It is the starting line of that report. According to this one only you have to write a starting line. Because of that your report may be attractive, your report may be more meaningful. Next, Taru Mitra, the Environment Awareness Club planted 100 new saplings. Means event is also mentioned. On that event, which type of action is going to be happen, which functions, which creations are happen on that day. All that thing mentioned already. 100 new saplings of trees and flowers inside the school premises. The principal of our school, Sri V.K. Pandit, congratulated the president of the club and the members for their zealous efforts to keep the campus green. He suggested many other activities of which each one plant one was accepted by the club members. Means whatever instructions given by the persons on that day or on that event, that also you have to mention. That type of thing also you have to include. Only important thing, unnecessary things may be avoided. A drawing competition for the junior school students was held where the little ones enthusiastically used their crayons on the drawing sheet. Means many type of competitions also happen on that day, like the drawing set competition and crayons competition and paper cutting or something like that, chart making, that type of thing also you have to mention on that day, which type of activities is established or something like that. The senior school witnessed a play title My Planet My Home. Means it's about senior school. In senior school what the title is given by the students, that also you are mentioning here. After that, the principal ending may be more powerful. It's on the starting of the report writing and ending of the report writing, you may be attentive, more attentive. Because of that, that is the starting and ending. On that, examiner always be focused. Because in middle one, whatever you are writing, that's not be important, but it not means like that you are including unnecessary thing or something like that. You have to write only meaningful thing, whatever related by that event, only that type of thing you have to write. Means you have to at first sure about that which lines you have to write, which lines you have to include, because it is a report. Means you have to write that type of report. Because of reading that type of report, anyone can understand that type of report, which type of event is happened on which date, which place, all that thing you have to mention in that one. Means Any unknown person, if any type of unknown person read that type of report, then he may be familiar to that type of incident, that type of event. You have to write according to that only. The principal presented medals and certificates to the students who worked arduously for the preservation of the environment. He exalted their efforts to leave behind a green planet for the future generations. After that, second report is here also. Newspaper 5 claims 15 in Simapuri, report by Ajay Mazumdar. Second report is here about, this one is about newspaper, and here heading is also given 5 claims 15 people in Simapuri, report by Ajay Mazumdar. Dear student, it is a main fact. Because of that, I want to tell you that marks is also included in the grammar pattern, because it's a pattern made by the board also. You have to at first write heading, after that you have to write by, means report by whom, that person's name also. Because of this, it's carry also 1/4 marks, and it is the format of the report writing. In this one also, the reporter right name is here, reporter name is also mentioned here. In a major fire which broke out in Simapuri, the slum area adjoining Pragati colony, 15 lost their lives. Means accurately data is also given, 15 persons lost their lives. The fire seems to have been caused by a short circuit in one of the shacks which was stacked up with the old newspaper. The fire spread to adjoining tents and one room shacks, taking the covers and partitions in this way. Means in this type of reports, all that event. Some spirited youngster raised an alarm for the people to rush out before the fire spread. However, the people could only manage to save their lives, and the flames, which spread rapidly, claimed their dwellings. And among the deceased were 5 children and 4 senior citizens. Though the firemen were quick and the ruthless blaze and taken a furious from spreading chaos. Means that type of report may be more powerful. Because of that, whenever we are reading that type of report, then we are feeling like that type of incidents now only happened in front of our eyes. That type of feeling may become if you are writing that type of important, that type of attractive report. The people of the Pragati colony were quick to respond to the crisis by setting up a medical camp for the aid of surviving victims. People have been extended their helping hand by supporting with cash and kind to rehabilitate the affected people. Means on that time, after that event, which type of things is happen, that's also mentioned in that type of report. So you have to write according to this one only. I already told you, at first we have to write heading, after that report by, and starting may be more powerful, more meaningful. You have to add only meaningful sentences, you have to avoid unnecessary things, and ending may be more interesting. Because of that, maybe people may be reading your reports in the future also, otherwise they deny to read or deny to accept your reports. So you have to add actual facts in that type of reports. Dear students, it's about the report writing. And once again, I am going to tell you, your homework is only 2 reports are here. One report is a safeguard environment, and second one is fire claims 15 people in Simapuri. Dear students, once again I am going to clearly tell you, you have to write only example number 2, whichever on page number 113, 113. Only this report you have to write in your notebook. Others, anything you don't have to write. Because of that, I am going to tell you about that type of things, like you have to write this one, and you are including that type of things also, then it is not be necessary. Because of that, you have to write only one report, newspaper. After that, I will tell you what you have to write. Because of that, here 4 exams, example also given, and questions also given. You have to write think and answer, like report newspaper for the National Book Fair or something like that. But you have to write only about the 5 claims 15 people in Simapuri. That reports only you have to write in your notebook. It is about report writing. Once again, I am going to revise all that thing about reports. Dear students, if anyone asks you about reports, then you can say that there are 2 kinds of report. First one is about newspaper reports. Second one is about event reports. If we talk about newspaper reports, then generally we can say that whichever reports that about accident, robberies or any great event is always given in newspaper. And reports about annual function, sports day, that will be published in college or school magazine, so it will be given in school magazine or something like that. So we can say that it's about any event. If any report is about event, then it will be included in event reports only. If any report is about any habitual act or something like that, like accident, robberies, or any great event, then it will be published into newspaper only. So according to reports type, we can say that we can classify into two parts only. Dear students, it's the complete whole chapter is about report writing. Once again, I am telling you, your homework is only one report. Last report you have to write in your notebook only. Thank you so much.